Good day everyone! Today, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Vietnam, of course. Dito doon sa Sapa, Vietnam, kung saan pupunta ako sa Glass Bridge. Of course guys, masyadong fog today. It's early in the morning. Ayan, nag-motorbike ako. Binalot pa ako ng plastiko kasi ang daming hamog, yung fog. Nababasa-basa ganun, pero it's not raining, it's foggy talaga, and then nababasa-basa ka kaya nilagay ka ng plastic. Ayun na, nag-motor lang ako guys. Yes, of course guys, it's very foggy morning today. Ayan o, pero walang mapipigil kay bakla. Ayan guys, nakarating na tayo guys dito sa Rong May Glass Bridge. Ayan pagdating dito, sasakay ka muna ng van, ihatid ka doon sa mga 5 minutes lang, ihatid ka doon sa area. Yes mga amigos and amigas, I'm so excited to see the Glass Bridge. Ayan, nagutom si bakla, kakain muna ako ng mga native dito sa labas. 2 egg, 1 barbecue. Kain ako ng 1 barbecue and 2 eggs, and of course yung kanin nila, sticky rice na nasa bamboo. Yeah, it's very native talaga. Kita rin nyo guys, yun ang ticketing office. Aakyat tayo doon by elevator and then another elevator papunta sa taas. Ganun ang eksena. Pero kakain-kain muna ako dito guys kasi parang nagugutom si bakla. Ayan, may pusa pa here Yan, kasama ko mga locals na nagbebenta at kumakain dito.
Beautiful. So beautiful here.
Ơi. Hello. Hả? Hả? Ấm nước là to to nhỉ? Ấm kia kìa. Đấy. Con này ấm nước á.
Ayan, after kumain guys, sasakay ka ng elevator papunta sa may ticketing office. Ayan, as you can see guys, umakyat na si bakla. Yes, ang daming turistas pumupunta dito kasi maraming aktibidades dito. Marami kayong magagawa dito guys. Aside from the Glass Bridge, mayroon pa yung mga skywalk, yung mga zipline and everything. Marami kayong makikita dito guys, and it's amazing to visit here. Ito pala guys ang the Rong May Glass Bridge, also known as the Cloud Dragon Glass Bridge. 1,000 dong, the ticket. And I'm here at this beautiful dome, as you can see. Wow. I'm all by myself here. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, after this I'm gonna ride a bus. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful Vietnam. you know Vietnam in the Miss Universe is a trans woman. Miss Universe, the fashion show. Yeah. Representing Vietnam is a trans woman. Yes, that's why it's very nice. Xin chào, you know.
Xin chào.
Come here, look for her and buy a lot of things here. Beautiful girl.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. I love Vietnam because Miss Universe, you know Miss Universe? Yeah. In TV. On TV, the woman who represents Vietnam.
Wow.
Yeah. She's a trans woman.
YouTube.
Yeah. Kwento ng kwento ko, hindi ko naintindihan ba niya sinasabi ko. Kasi sabi ko, representative nila sa Miss Universe is a trans woman. So, happy ako kasi in-acknowledge ang mga gay community dito sa Vietnam, of course. Hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan. Sabi na sa akin, YouTube. Ano ba yun? YouTube yata. Akala niya YouTube ako. YouTuber. Sabi na, hindi ko naintindihan. Oh my God. Ayan, after that, may ticket, sasakay ka ng van again. Another van. Dadalhin kayo doon sa mataas na elevator. Of course, pataas na talaga guys. Ayan, sasakay ka ng van. So this is may dalawang van ng sinakyan ko ha. Okay, ayan si bakla. I'm walking here right now. Getting inside 2 buses for, bringing us here. And this is it. I'm riding and we're going. Yes guys, dadaan ka na parang kuweba. Kuweba talaga. It's a cave. Ayan binuksan nila. Sa dulo ng cave may elevator going sa pinakamataas na. Ayan as you can see guys. Xin chào, hello. How about that? The card. Okay, no need. Thank you. At last, nandito na ako guys. Papasok na ako sa elevator. Itong kuwebang ito. Nakikita ko ito sa YouTube. Yung mga ibang vlogger or somebody is coming here na vinivideo kino-cover nila itong area na ito. Amazing! I'm here right now! Ayan! It's so beautiful. Ayan oh, ang lamig-lamig na dito guys. Ayan oh, naglalakad ako paloob going para sa elevator na mataas. As you can see guys, naglalakad na si Bakla. Ayan! Ang ganda! Amazing! Beautiful! Isa ito malaking cave na binuksan nila para papasok ka. Ayan oh, as you can see guys. Oh. Ewan ko kung bakit ang dami mga banderitas dito ng flag nila, di ba? Pag sa ating ganyan, fiesta. Pag sa Pilipinas siya, fiesta. O di ba ganun? Ang dami mga banderitas. Siguro, ina-acknowledge talaga nila and they're very proud of course. They need to. Kaya nga tayo talaga dapat maging proud din tayo sa Pilipinas. As you can see guys, may malaking motorcycle dito, retro motorcycle. As you can see, oh, ang ganda, nakipictorial sila. And then this is a long, ayan upo ka dito sa chair waiting area. Pag maraming talagang tao, of course, ayan, papasok na tayo sa elevator guys. Ayan oh. Yes mga amigos at amigas, ito ang elevator na mataas talaga ang papunta nito sa pinakamataas na bundok kung saan nandun yung glass bridge. As you can see guys, oh, nandito na kami. Parang nakakatakot naman. Papunta na yata kami sa final destination. Ayan oh, na you see si Bakla. Oh, si Bakla mag-isa. Ayan, start na. Going up. Maraming mga tao kasamahan ko ngayon dito sa elevator. Actually, some of them are family, some of them are groups, mga joiners sila. Pero si Bakla mag-isa lang. Ayan oh. Oh, you see? Oh, paakyat na. Tanan! I'm so excited. Going up. Yes, mga amigos, isa ito sa mga bucket list ko, yung skywalk. Hindi yung glass bridge, but I really wanted to do that skywalk. Kaya kailangan mo talaga umakyat here and go to the glass bridge. After that, walk and then go to another place over on top na nandun yung skywalk, mga activities up there. Nasa taas pa siya, guys. So, pero no shortcut kasi dadaan ka talaga sa glass bridge. As you can see, guys, oh, paakyat ng elevator. Oh, you see? Wow, ang taas-taas talaga. Oh, naku, pag masiraan to, baksak, shoot tayo si Bakla. What a nice experience, guys. As you can see, guys, so excited lahat. I think all of us here, this elevator, are all first timer going here sa glass bridge. As you can see, guys, amazing experience, and I'm very happy to be here in Vietnam, here at Rong Mây Glass Bridge, of course, guys. Well, guys, ito pala Rong Mây Glass Bridge, also known as the Cloud Dragon Glass Bridge. Of course, guys, is the highest glass bridge in Vietnam. Well, it's situated at an altitude of over 2,200 meters above sea level. Ayan guys, dumating na kami and welcome to the glass bridge. Ayan, as you can see guys, si Bakla. Excited si Bakla. Baka dadaan si Bakla sa sobrang bigat. Mababasak ang glass bridge. Ano ba yan? Ang mga pinagsasabi ko guys. Pero it's so beautiful. It's so wonderful to be here. Ayan oh, naglalakas si Bakla. Napapunta na doon sa loob. Kung saan makikita ninyo yung may rainbow. May rainbow stairway. And then after that, sa the other side noon, ayun pababa, nandun yung glass bridge. Of course, inuna ko muna itong glass bridge kasi according to some sources sa paikot daw ito, unahin mo muna yung glass bridge and then walk and the other side, parang letter C siya, the other side, doon babalik ka doon sa may rainbow stairs. Ayan. Anyway, I have already idea because nakikita ko ito sa mga YouTubers na pupunta na sila dito. Wow, amazing. Wow, what's amazing guys? It is because walang fog today. Walang fog. Ayun. May konti namang fog. Pero hindi masyadong na-cover yung view namin. Nakikita ba mga mountains, everything. Yung sa baba, nakikita mo. Ayan oh, palakad-lakad si bakla. Pero hindi ko masyadong tinitingnan sa baba. Bahala kayo. Kasi pag tinignan mo sa baba, parang masya-shock ka. Maano ka. Kasi masyadong mataas. As you can see, kunyari lang naglalakad. Pero parang scary. Pero anyway, na-try ko na ito sa Pilipinas. Mayroon tayo dyan sa Baguio, ganyan. But not that long. Ito masyado mahaba, as you can see guys. But I'm so happy kasi nabigyan tayo ng magandang view or tanawin today. Nakikita ba mga mountains, everything. A beautiful views, a beautiful place to visit in. Pero scary talaga nang ma-vlog ako. Hawak na hawak ko sa phone ko. Baka mamay mahulog. Doon sa mga gilid-gilid. Kasi ang hangin niya iba guys. Parang hinihila ka. Masyadong mahangin talaga. Oo. Pero it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Ayan o. Ang dami na pictorials. And the view is amazing. Ang ganda ng view guys today. As you can see guys. Oh wow. Beautiful. Well, amazing. Ang swerte ko guys today. Kasi nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon makita ang view. And of course, yung sa baba nakikita mo talaga. Ayan, wala masyadong fog here. It's beautiful. Amazing. Si Kyle Marimort, as you can see. Very nice. Pinapakita talaga dito today. Pinapakita sa akin, of course. It's not zero visibility, as you can see. Oh, the sea of clouds over there. Very nice. Well, the Rong May Glass Bridge, guys, also known as the Dragon Glass Bridge, is the highest glass bridge in Vietnam. Well, it's situated at an altitude of over 2,200 meters above sea level, and this is located at the top of Quy Quy Ho Pass in Lao Province. It is approximately 17 to 18 kilometers from Sapa Town. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga pictorials talaga for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everything, punta kayo dito. Pero dapat, advice ko, punta kayo dito not winter time. Not winter, summertime I think, maganda siguro. Like us, winter ito ngayon, but God is good. Ayan, wala masyadong fog. Nakikita nyo ang view. Well, amazing. Nakita ko pa rin talaga ang view with my own eyes, of course. Kasi yung iba po punta dito pag winter, wala sila nakita, all white. All white, di ba? Pag pupunta ka dito, nag-effort ka and everything. Pagdating mo dito, wala ka na nakita, it's all white. But now, I can see the mountains, I can see the clouds, I can see people around, and of course, nakakatakot kasi it's very high. We're on the top of the world. Ayan oh. Kaya nga pag naglalakad ako, yung iba parang pakialam pag naglalakad. Pero mayroon din ibang tao na very scary talaga sila pag naglalakad sila dito guys. To the beautiful Vietnam. Dito ito sa Rong May Glass Bridge. Oh my God. Ang haba-haba. Look. Ako lang mag-isa here. Kasi wala lang umakyat. Hanggang doon lang sila. But me, umakyat talaga ako here. And I'm walking here ngayon. Oh. As you can see, hindi zero visibility today. May fog. Pero, hindi talaga sa totally. Sobrang dami. Ayun, nakikita nyo everything. Very nice. I love you, Vietnam. Kasi minsan sometimes pag people pupunta dito, nagpa-fuck talaga. Lalo ngayon, today is January 28, I think. Nakalimutan ko na guys. And as you can see, the sunrise. Ayun lumalabas ang araw. Sana wala ng fog. Yeah. Abil ko ngayon, walking ngayon. Abil ko yung walking. Yung talaga pinuntahan ko dito, guys. Yeah. Ayan, oh. Oh, look at that. View of the mountain. All by myself. Ay, nakita ako parang, ay, ewan ko kung anong nationality yon. Pumunta siya dito, parang nakatakong man yun. yung boots niya may takong. Alam mo yung boots na may takong? Gusto ko tumawa, pero hindi na lang ako tumawa, guys, kasi nag-emote na lang ako. Dapat nag-rubber shoes na lang siya. Buisit ka talaga, Judea. Buisit ka talaga, Judea. Yan, nag-emote. Masyado ka talagang mean. Bakla. Hakit si bakla talaga. Ayan. We're gonna do the skywalk. Yes, yan, skywalk ang pinuntahan ko talaga dito, guys. Amazing. Ayan, papasok na ako. Pagkatapos mo lakarin yung glass bridge na napakahaba, well, of course, maglalakad ka dito, going on top of the, one of the mountains dito, maglalakad-lakad ka mag-isa. Yan. Mag-isa lang talaga si Judea. Pag nahulog sa skywalk, wag naman. Oh my God. Basahin mo kung saan ba sinasabi. Ayun, wala na ibang tao dito. Ayan. Akyat lang. Diba? Akyat ka lang. Oh, mag-isa na si Jude. Here in a beautiful Vietnam. Maglalakad-lakad ka. Yan. Oh my God. Ako na lang mag-isa yata dito, guys. Aakyat ka sa pinakamataas kasi nandun mga activities na gagawin mo dito, like yung skywalk, yung zip lining, yung parang bungee jumping. Maraming gagawin mga bicycle sa nandun sa taas. Ayan, Judea, ginusto mo yan. Hingal-hingal ka dyan. Ayan, as you can see, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Life is all about adventure. As you can see, we're waking up every morning. We have a lot of purposes in our lives. So enjoy the most. Live for now, not for tomorrow, because tomorrow is never promised. I'm gonna give you more. This is not yet done because I'm gonna give you my second vlog for my experience in the skywalk. Of course, guys, yung skywalk, isa yun sa mga pinuntahan ko dito, guys. An adventure of a lifetime, an experience of a lifetime na magpo-walk ka sa isang bridge, hanging bridge na may harness lang. Anyway, bye! See you guys for my second vlog of my adventure here in the beautiful Vietnam. Bye! God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.